We live in a time of infinite possibilities. Over the last few decades, Kenya has experienced tremendous growth to her economy. This has opened up many opportunities for businesses that supply goods and services largely to our market and also to export markets. We have seen many entrepreneurs move to expand their ventures or set up new ones to take advantage of the emerging opportunities. We have seen owners of capital position their resources to fund the investment opportunities that have arisen.
Funguo Investments Limited is a well-established investment company. We invest in private or unquoted equities. We invest in real estate. We invest in quoted equities. We also invest in fixed and money market securities.
I believe in Funguo, we provide positive impact for both the investors and also the entrepreneurs because we help in bridging capital to its use.
Identifying investments worth backing is never an easy thing to do. Neither is managing investments once the investment is made. The art of spreading one's financial resources over many assets to achieve diversification and hence minimize risk is equally daunting for many. How can an individual or an investment group then hope to effectively participate in the exciting possibilities that we see emerging in the Kenyan landscape as an entrepreneur or as a provider of capital?
In Funguo, we have two key customers. We have the investors, we have the entrepreneurs. Investors will come to Funguo looking for unique opportunities that offer superior returns as opposed to what they will get in the market, but they are also interested in the good corporate governance that Funguo has to offer. Secondly, entrepreneurs will be looking for investment capital to fund their businesses, but in addition to that, they'll be looking for strategic partnerships that we offer their businesses to unlock value.
Funguo Investments Limited has taken an impressive and dynamic journey in its 30 years of existence. It started as a small closed company that had in its role of shareholders only individuals who had an affiliation with ICDC as employees or directors in ICDC or ICDC's corporate associates.
Upon the linkage of management of Funguo Investments from ICDC, Funguo was able to devote full-time on its core business of creating wealth for its shareholders. And the other benefit which Funguo started getting was by having professionals, they are able to scrutinize investments projects on a detailed basis before arriving at conclusion without distraction of other activities.
When Funguo was incorporated, obviously the amount of capital that it started with was the subscribers' capital, which was 140 shillings, divided into 7 shares with a nominal value of 20 shillings each. But as at 30th of June 2017, we're looking at an asset level of 1 billion shillings. The additional capital that has been subscribed by the shareholders have enabled us to today book an asset value of 1.2 billion shillings.
For 25 years, we relied on ICDC for operational capabilities. However, over the last 5 years, we have grown our capacity to operate independently as a public limited liability company whose shares are available for purchase by the general public, both institutions and individuals. We have built key partnerships that have made it possible for us to support entrepreneurs, growing enterprises, and large corporations. This has secured our credibility in the investments industry in Kenya. We have had great success in creating unparalleled value in assets and return on investment. This success has made it possible for us to grow and expand our sources of investment opportunities and capital.
The diversity of skills on our board speak for itself. We have investment professionals, we have technology professionals, we have financial professionals, we have legal professionals on the board, we have management professionals, and so that our board has been a diversified board, drawing experience and strength from the collective knowledge of the members of the board.
YCO was confident to have invested with Funguo, driven largely by the fact that Funguo is an avenue through which we could access investments in the market that are unique. Secondly, the strategic vision and direction that Funguo has is amazing, and this is what we were looking for. And all this is also supported by a very solid management structure that gives us a lot of confidence.
I have found it quite beneficial to hold shares in Funguo Investments. In the first place, Funguo Investment Company has been a very faithful dividend payer over the years, so that has been an important benefit. They also have, these shares have also had some capital gains, and I think that's another additional benefit. And in addition, I think as a director of the company, I have participated in the promotion and growth of the company, and I think that experience is an intangible but very real benefit in my life.
I was able to sell some of the shares in Funguo in 2006, and I bought a piece of land in Kangundo, Machakos, 12 acres for 600,000 using proceeds from Funguo. And an acre there is now going for about 3 million. And I keep some goats there. It's a small ranch, about 12 acres.
Funguo has contributed immensely to the success of Aeon Kenya. Funguo joined us along the way as a shareholder. Funguo has demonstrated support for our vision, the vision of the company, the strategy of the company, and provided extremely valuable board support, intelligent support, and committed support to the company in realizing the goals that we have been in. Recently, following a restructuring exercise, Funguo actually demonstrated this commitment and this belief and this support by actually taking up additional shares in an Aeon subsidiary that was allocated to them, and that was one of the best demonstrations of the commitment and support Funguo has to the organization.
Funguo is a key shareholder in Almasi Beverages Limited and has been very, very supportive in terms of showing interest in the business and in terms of the things that we do. But the most important thing for a shareholder is when the business requires money. In 2016, we had a rights issue where we raised 1.6 billion from our shareholders, and Funguo was an investor and participated fully in taking up its rights. We are very, very appreciative, and we believe that that continued partnership with us and Funguo is going to continue to help the Funguo grow and also Almasi grow.
African Energy Group is an integrated energy solutions company. We were incorporated in the year 2015. Our flagship project is the manufacture of concrete poles, which we undertake at our production plant in Mariakani, Kilifi County. Funguo, first and foremost, I really need to thank the company because they believed in a young entrepreneur's dream. My co-director and I were both very young entrepreneurs. We faced a lot of challenges getting our business to where it is now. And Funguo actually believed in us right from the get-go. They gave us seed capital. They gave us a lot of guidance, both on a management and a board level. And we continue to engage with them as directors in the company on a daily basis. They offer guidance, they offer support, and we're very happy working with Funguo.
Funguo Investments Limited has vast and growing investments in Kenya, spanning from Nairobi to the Rift Valley region, Western region, Central, and the Coast region.
Funguo's future is pretty exciting. We're operating in an economy that has got a lot of opportunities, a lot of challenges, but is resilient. We see a lot of investment opportunities as a result. Our board is pretty supportive and bold. Our shareholders are also very supportive. Our staff are pretty energized. We want to be a 7.2 billion shilling company. Currently, we are a 1.2 billion shilling company. We want to be able to deliver every single year a return on equity of 12%. We want to have a more balanced portfolio. Currently, we are heavy on financial services. We want to be the company of choice for entrepreneurs looking for growth capital, and we want to be the investment house of choice for investors looking for superior returns for their investment. In terms of industry opportunities, we've looked at the Kenyan market, at the Kenyan economy. We've identified sectors that have shown strong growth potential on the back of strong growth in the past. And these are the industries where we are focused for our investment opportunities. These include health services, education services, agro-processing, ICT, real estate, and construction material and services. But there are also a few other industries that we look at, and when opportunities arise, we will go for them. These include trade, both wholesale and retail. These include transport and logistics.
We provide investment solutions that adapt to the changing business environment, and we work hard to shape sustainable businesses.
Opportunities to invest with and through Funguo exist. Funguo is a public company, and our shares are available on over-the-counter market. The second one is that Funguo offers co-investment opportunities on some of its transactions, whereby an investor can come and invest alongside Funguo.
At Funguo, we care for the detail, yet never lose sight of the big picture. You can trust us to deliver, and you can bank on our competence. Today, we are recognized as a go-to mid-market provider of alternative capital for Kenyan enterprises. Our strong financial base has provided us access to capital, which we make available to our entrepreneur customers to fund their growth. We are about helping open the path for an owner of capital to access a blend of non-traditional and traditional investment opportunities. We are about helping entrepreneurs realize their dreams by providing growth capitals. Funguo Investments Limited. We are the key to prosperity.